Hello, today we will learn how to make a table of content in MS Word document. So first of all, if you have a document, just select Control A. So all the contents will be selected, and then in the Home tab, you have styles. Click here, and then from here, you need to choose the style. Maybe this will be applied on all of your documents. So what we need to do, I want to make this as heading 1, this is heading 2, so only I will select this as a heading. Then I will click on the styles and I will search the heading 1 from this list. Maybe heading 1. Okay, then this I want to make as heading 2 because it is a further explanation of that. So heading 2, okay, and then maybe this is my heading 3, binary system. So I will go here in the styles and here I will make it heading 3, okay, and then this is my heading 2. So from the whole document, once you adjust, you need to type the whole document, okay, and then one by one you because you know which heading should be the heading 1 and the further the part of the heading 2. So it depends na, upon your writing. So now this is the again top heading, so I want to make it heading 1, and it has further headings. So heading 2, remember this thing, this is just the subheading and the main headings, okay, and it has another, and suppose here I want to say application software is the subheading of tools for application softwares, like tools for productivity and creativity. So maybe I want to make further heading, maybe discover the landscape of application software, okay. So I select this one and I make it heading 3, okay. So it will be the further heading of this. Now this is the main third heading. So as it is main, so I will say it heading 1, and then this is subheading of heading 1, that is 2, and maybe here I say local area network will be the subheading of introduction to computer networks. So I make it heading 3, okay. Now we quickly make this as well, heading 2 again, okay. This is all. Now after this, what I need to do, first what I do, I have marked my headings, add heading 1, add heading 2, then I will click on references, okay. Then here I need to click the place where I want to insert the table. I will click insert table of content. Now this table of content is inserted over here, okay. So in this way we can generate in table of content. Now you can see this is the heading 1, software and operating system, networking and internet, and here this is the subheading 3.1, 3.2, similarly 2.1, 2.2, and this is more indented. Why? Because I say that discovery the vast landscape as the subheading of application software, okay. So in this way you can see how we can make a table of content. Now we can remove a table of content or we can update a table of content. Suppose here I say update a table of content, so now I can make some changes. So I no need to make changes there. Suppose here I say system software. So now you can see, although I have written here, but if I will do come here and I will I want to generate update, this is saying me update, I will click on update. So here system software is appearing, not the application software. So this is how we generate a table of contents. Thank you.